Hey yo, today I turned an AI to play volleyball 1v1 and I will show you how I did that. We will go from the easiest version, where the AI just needs to hit the ball all the way through the hardest where it has to aim and control shoot power, and at the end, I will fight against my own AI.
I split this task into 3 levels of difficulty. Level 1. The AI just needs to learn how to serve and hit the ball. Level 2. The AI needs to control its shoot power. And level 3. The AI needs to control both the power and the direction of the shoot. But let's start from scratch. First, we will need our field, then our players and the ball. We will also need many more fields with players so they can learn faster. I want to have a pretty terrain with some trees and water for our main location. Our main volleyball court shouldn't be grey, it should have more decoration. A coach, some sound effects, and our game should have sounds too. A whistle, water, sand, and so on. Now I will show you some parts of the AI training process. And finally, they can play against each other. Not perfectly, but good enough for my experiment. They can control the power and choose the direction. Now let's see if I can survive against them. My AI beat me not because it's a professional, I am just a noob. But given more terrain and time, it could get better and better. And at the end I want to show you how the round length was changing and how long it took the AI to learn each level. That was the time for the level 1. That was the time for the level 2. And the longest it's for the level 3. But it can keep growing and growing.
Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe would mean a lot to me.